Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to reset network setting to default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, we want to reset network setting to default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very easy. First click on install. Now click on settings. After click on network and internet. Left panel here, first option startup. So click it. Now scroll down. After click on network reset. So click it. Click on reset now. And after click on yes. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to reset network setting to default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.